Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can find your idle villages in Age of Empires 2 easily. So there are a number of different ways that we can actually go about doing this. The first one is to take a look at the menu up here where we can see the idle villager button, and by clicking on this we see that we currently have 2 idle villagers, and by clicking this we can filter between them. Another way that we can do that is by hitting the full stop button on our keyboard, and likewise that will also cycle between any idle villagers. So for example, if I just stop this guy just here and he idles, we have cycle between 3. And then another way that we can select all idle villagers at once is by holding down the shift key and then pressing the full stop button. So I've selected all of those by doing that, and if I cue that there, if I make them walk here and then do that again, you see that I've selected them again, just like this. And that's a really easy way to go ahead and see your idle villagers in Age of Empires 2. Bonus tip when it comes to your idle villagers in Age of Empires is to come up here to the main menu and then click the Options tab, and then up here you want the Game tab to be open, which we have. Scroll down and see the idle pointers button. Select this and then press confirm, and you will now see above our idle villagers there are exclamation marks, making them easier to spot. I hope this tutorial has helped.